So this is the newest project house right here. It's an old cracker house, 1909. Yep, got it for $28,500 years ago. Now, I've always rented it, but getting older, so we're deciding we're going to actually fix this one up. There's going to be that roof right up there is original roof from 1909. It's an asbestos shingle roof, and nobody will insure this place, basically because of this roof. And so we are going to have to tear it off. We are, as far as the renovation, I'll be tearing off of this roof here, and going to put on a metal roof on it. Guys should be coming here with the suits pretty soon, but house, you can see it's got the open air porch right here, and it's a duplex. So the one side over here is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and the side over here is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and it's pretty cool old place. So there you go. And so I got it for, like I said, years ago, actually $500 down, rent to own, $273.19 a month for 15 years. And when I put it up in the market, I think I'm going to do it for $550,000.